Park in the 30-minute right there. What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up? Good to see ya.
I like the interior. What do you call this?
80s confetti seats.
Yeah, they're sick.
I know, everyone loves them. Oh, these are so sick. That's a nice touch right there.
Thanks. Coffee table.
I didn't think it was actually like this. Like, you actually just like working here. It's like, that's so cool though. You could almost say that you have your cars in your living room.
Yeah.
It's like garage goals for everyone. Everyone's always like, I mean, that'd be my goal.
Well, it's funny, like we'll play like Fortnite and like
that's so
the webcam is like got the car behind us. But yeah, I figured we could do like a quick oil change and take both cars out.
Yeah, exactly.
Car's 2,300 pounds.
Yeah, when I was in Monterey, I was thinking I did vlog each day, but I was thinking I could get it up the day after, and it was like, there's no way. At the end of the day, you're just pooped out, and you just want to crash in the hotel, it's like.
And all these videos I'm doing, I'm also like working on the car.
Exactly, so you're doing labor, and then afterward, you have to edit your labor, which is labor itself, so it's like.
Let's see how this goes.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna do a little GoPro shots inside the car, but it's dark and it's gonna be hard to see us. So we got a little solution.
Alright, so I'm Jack, if you guys don't know me. I do automotive gaming at JackUltra, but today we're showcasing both of the cars. We have Zach's ride right here, and we have my ride right here. And if you come on in, it's pretty much just your average 32, kind of clean, gunmetal gray, well done. We put 34 turbos inside, and it's got intakes and other stuff. And with the RB26, so nothing simple. I'm missing my centerpiece right there, but other than that, it's nice. Also around the car, it's just Barstow ES2s. I believe it's got HKS high power exhaust, but still has the cats and mufflers in it, so it could definitely be worked on, be louder and everything. But the 34 turbos, once you're inside the car, you'll hear how good it sounds. And it also came with these LED tails that are aftermarket, but they're pretty nice. I could just go pop them on real quick. You can see, yeah, full JDM style over here. Why not put in some, color LED changing ones? We could go full cop mode if we want, even though I probably wouldn't risk that on the regular roads. The car that should be being pulled over could pull others over, so that's just the pure irony right there.
We want to take these cars out and do a little fun cornering on these roads. There's this nice road up from wherever we are here in Mexico, and yeah, it'll be fun. So we'll just leave this somewhere safe, and then we're gonna take the E30. Cool.
Sweet.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah.
Be honest, it makes it a little hard to see with these lights.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna turn it off until we get there.
Yeah.
Hello?
Test, test.
All right. Like, just so I don't see this. It's really hard to see with this light.
Yeah. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it.
So far, the road has been clear. You want to put the camera on so they can see this?
A real life car roller coaster right there for me riding along. All the twists and turns.
Yeah.
It's like I've never ridden along like in a track car, like on the track or anything, because I'm sure that's like also close to what it's like, but like
This feels like this is the closest thing in our area to being on a track.
yeah.
Like, you really can hug the corners and you really have to be careful with how you use the brakes, and
Yeah.
there's a lot of really tight corners and it's hard to pay attention. This light doesn't help, it makes it pretty hard to see. I'm like, I've got the GoPro blocking my vision in the light, and I'm like trying to get my pupils to dilate to adjust to the road in front of me. So it's kind of unsafe with this light, but we want you guys to be able to see what we're doing. And yeah, dude, this is my first time actually like really stress testing.
I can see you almost like you're getting into it, but then you're almost having fun too. It's like you're going at it.
Thanks, it is fun. Yeah, this is the first time we've taken the new S50 motor or the E30 out since we've swapped to the new powertrain. And
it feels pretty good.
Yeah, it feels great. Sticking with the dome lights because the LED light bar was way too invasive for driving.
Yeah, I don't want to hit a deer or anything tonight, so you know, just keep it safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, so right turns, you're gonna hear like a little kind of clanking almost sound in the back right there. You almost hear that.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly what that is because it's not like rubbing or something. We're pretty sure it's because this car is the HiKis system, just like that four-wheel steering in the back.
Okay.
And something is because it's so low. Like if you see the fitment back there, it's tight.
Yeah.
And I think the only reason why it's doing that is because they're actually like minorly rotating. Because when we look back there, it's like there's no evidence of anything. So
interesting. Do your best.
Like there's only so much straight on these roads.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
I know, it's cool. That's also like I almost want to like do a pull on the straight and shift up, and then it's like a big corner comes around, and it's like,
corner.
dang. But yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, so try and do a little apexing. So left lane.
And then cut in.
And then cut in. Yeah, because there's headlights that are going to be coming your way, you know when you can apex safely or not, you know?
Okay.
When it's a super tight corner like this, you obviously want to be more careful about it.
Yeah.
But when you've got some leeway, right here, straight through. Yeah. That's like the most fun part of it.
Yeah, exactly. Because you're like diving in and everything.
So here where there's an LED light, I stay on the right because then you won't really be able to see headlights coming toward you. When it's super dark like this, it gives you the opportunity to do that.
Oh, yep, see. Doesn't like fourth for me. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I literally treat it like my RS or any other thing where I try to go straight down, it just doesn't like it.
The first time I drove right-hand drive, I had just gotten off a 19-hour flight.
Oh.
I landed in London, and I had to drive a van, like a really big, wide van with very limited visibility with, you know, like the gate in the back.
Oh, damn.
And then on the left-hand side, like, it was just this little side view mirror and then the windows. Like, you couldn't see anything behind you. And I had to drive it through 2 hours of traffic.
That's crazy.
From the airport to the location. Not only is it right-hand drive, very limited visibility, like, it's a hard truck to drive, even left-hand driving in the States.
Yeah.
But also in a foreign country where everyone's on the other side of the road. So when I was approaching roundabouts and when I was going to, like, new intersections, like, it was a huge, like, pretty big culture shock for me.
It was like you had a 19-hour flight and then they just put you in a death trap pretty much. It's like, god damn. I remember my first test drive on this thing and I'm like, holy cow, this is gonna take forever to get used to. It comes back from the shop with its new clutch, and obviously by then they did all the turbos, so it was gone for a while, but it comes back and I drive it and it was just a piece of cake all of a sudden. It was literally like that clutch and everything. It just made such a difference.
I remember the first time I learned about the Skyline being a badass car was when I was 13. So I was not a car guy growing up, but I did enjoy Gran Turismo 4.
Yeah.
On the PlayStation 2. And I remember... Oh, I just ran out of memory. That's okay. GoPro died.
Nope.
So I remember, Gran Turismo 4, I was like 14 years old, and my buddy had an older brother that was super into those cars. Yeah. And apparently he owned one, and he was telling me all the crazy things about, I think, you know, to be honest, that was part of what got me more into cars.
Video games?
Well, definitely Gran Turismo 4.
Yeah. That is cool to get that much of a ride along. If you ever get the once in a lifetime experience to ride along in that on a road like that, it's amazing how you could take a car like that and give someone a full roller coaster ride.
Yeah, you wouldn't expect that much.
Yeah,
like power and excitement out of that little E30.
Exactly. I mean, even a road, given a road like that, it also shows you don't need a Lambo to freaking you know enjoy driving. As a teenager, I feel like there's cars out there for like $5,000 and like, or if you're able to like maybe get a side job and work up like, you know, $5,000 or $6,000 or something, you could have something in my mind that even as a person with something like this, I would still find it just as cool, and you could still get your own enjoyment out of it. So
built, not bought.
Exactly.
That's the way to go.
I'm not the perfect motto for that, but you know.
Now that you own this thing, you're gonna learn.
I've learned so much from this car already. Like I can explain to you like the problems and stuff, but beforehand I would have never known what those meant, and I still have so much more to learn.
You got a lot of experiences that you get to take part in now that you own something like this that is, you know, it's reliable, but this is a car that's meant to drive hard and it's meant to be rebuilt. And
you'll definitely be jacking it up a lot more than the Focus.
Definitely.
A modern Focus, so exactly.
Well, cool.
Yeah, sweet.